In the mid-1920s, Germany quietly abandoned the Versailles restrictions and began covertly rebuilding its armed forces. In 1933, the army tasked Rheinmetall, whose Großtraktor was the only 1920s design with any combat value, with developing a new heavy tank. The brief called for a vehicle of about 20 tons with 3 turrets, armed with 75mm and 37mm guns, plus multiple machine guns. The paperwork labeled the program Panzerkampfwagen Neubaufahrzeug, literally, New Construction Fighting Vehicle. The name stuck and was later shortened to NBFZ. At first, the design drew on the Großtraktor, but higher weight, improved armor requirements, and other factors forced a near-total redesign. Given the industry's poor state, early prototypes were built of mild structural steel. The first NBFZ left the factory in 1934. To speed things up, the Wehrmacht split the work. Rheinmetall handled the hull and running gear. Krupp built the turret. The crew numbered 6. Early versions placed the 2 main guns one above the other. Later, they were mounted side by side. Auxiliary armament consisted of small-caliber machine guns, 1 in the main turret and 1 each in 2 small sub-turrets akin to those on the Panzer I. A 290-horsepower engine gave a road speed of 30 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 120 kilometers. In 1935, the Army ordered 3 fully armored NBFZ, with homogeneous plates 13 to 20 millimeters thick. The trio formed a special demonstration platoon. With some stagecraft, they became an indestructible steel armada, at least in photos and newsreels. A large 3-turret tank bristling with weapons looked formidable in propaganda, and the drawbacks could be left unmentioned. On the 19th of April 1940, the platoon deployed to Norway and paraded through Oslo, spawning rumors of super-heavy tanks whose invented sky-high specifications echoed around the world. On the 24th of April, the NBFZ fought near the Norwegian village of Kvam. At least 1 was damaged by British artillery and another scuttled by its crew. When the battle ended, the 2 remaining tanks were returned to Germany, where they vanished from the record. The unarmored prototypes reportedly served for a time at training schools. None of the Neubaufahrzeug survived today. The super heavy concept expired not only because of mediocre performance and the rapidly outdated multi-turret layout. Military thinking also moved on. By the late 1930s, the Blitzkrieg doctrine was taking shape, and there was simply no place in it for a tank like this.